Welcome to the next edition of Chatting with Chuck. I'm your host, Chuck. Today, my guest is Tom Weiner. He's an application engineer with Aventech, and we're going to discuss Aventech's latest WebAccess SCADA software. Tom, welcome. Can you give us a little bit of information on this software?
WebAccess is a Microsoft Access SQL database, HMI, SCADA software, platform software. It is a web-based server software program where actually you pull up web pages, and it uses the HTML5 graphics protocol to build your widgets and build your screens. Also, the project is developed in web browser pages, and you can have multiple browser pages open at one time. It can also be a cloud-based program. It runs on a server, and or we also have access to Azure Cloud, and you actually can run WebAccess in that cloud and do all your development within the Microsoft Azure Cloud. Included with this is what we call dashboard screens. With the dashboard screens, you can do local and remote monitoring from any Android or iPhone or smart device.
Tom, what about tags? Does it come with it?
WebAccess does not come with tags for development, but you buy the tags in a minimum of 75 tags. Typically 500, 1500 tags up to unlimited. If you start small and you want to go to more tags, you just buy an upgrade to get that additional tags.
What about widgets?
Like I said in dashboard, there are widgets. There are pre-built widgets. There's 33 to 35 out-of-the-box widgets. That's free to the software. There's also a program called Widget Builder, which allows you to create custom widgets, then become additional widgets in the widgets package. Widgets can be created within minutes, and it already uses the tags that you have imported into the software WebAccess package.
That's great. What about, how can I view WebAccess? What can it be viewed on?
WebAccess can be viewed on any Android, iPads, can run on any Windows PC monitor, Windows 7, 8.1, Windows 10 platforms.
What if I want to try this? Can I get a free trial and give it a test drive?
Yes, WebAccess is a free download software package. It comes with a 2-hour run engine kernel that you start from an icon down on your computer screen, and after 2 hours, if you've not purchased a tag license, it will turn off, but you can restart it with an unlimited amount of times. So every 2 hours you just restart it to keep your building, your process, and or testing.
Well, it looks like you can go to www.aventech.com/industrial automation/WebAccess/download, or you can probably just Google it on Aventech WebAccess download, and the current version will show up. Tom, it sounds like an interesting software. Any last comments before we move on?
Yeah, I wanted to mention that when you use a web browser, it will run on Microsoft Explorer, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and almost all the others. I haven't tested every one of them since I think there's around 20 different ones out there, but at least a dozen of them, and all the popular ones.
Great, Tom. Thank you for taking the time to talk about Aventech's WebAccess. If you want to know more about it, you can always just go to www.aventech.com and search your way through there. This has been Chatting with Chuck. Thank you for listening.